Hello guys, welcome to this demonstration video of the TravelShock application. Today we're showing how what your ultimate travel buddy could look like. We'll start at a screen like this, and the first thing you have to do usually with an app where you have accounts is sign in, of course. So that's what we're gonna do. And as you see here, we come directly to the welcome back page where you can sign into your account or you can access with Google or with Apple in this case. This is, for example, how it would look when you would choose to sign in with a Google account. Apple account works kind of the same. So we want to log in, we type our username here and our password here, and we start into the application. We already created an account, as you can see here on the top right. This is what my icon looks like. However, there's one special feature in here. I'm a student, of course, but I forgot to put that at the start. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna navigate to the settings, and we're gonna go to profile, and we're gonna edit our profile. And here we have a tiny text box which says I'm a student. We're gonna tick this. So we set that we're a student now. So we navigate back, and this should unlock special student features. I'll first navigate you through the settings. You have very basic settings, being map management, appearance, etc, etc. This is very straightforward, what you also have in normal applications, including, for example, a password reset like the one here. Put in your email, you get an email, and you can reset your password within the application if there's need for it. Anyway, now we come to the actual applications, the main features. This is your homepage. In your homepage, you can already see there's some adventures here. Tokyo and Paris currently implemented in the app, and also certain categories. And what we can, for example, do is we can go to the Tokyo tab, and here we can see all the information about Tokyo. For example, I'm a student, I want to go to Tokyo during my exchange, or I'm going to university there. Then there might be some things that I would like to know about the place. And that's where especially the things for students come in. This, for example, is a pre-departure and explanations about the student visa I might need to get in this case, which is crucial if you go there for an exchange, for example. However, that's of course not the only thing you would like to know. You would also like to know some more things, for example, about, hey, you're gonna travel there, what are you gonna see? So for example, what are the popular places? Here the users can scroll a bit through the popular places and filter based on what they would like to see within this list, and also save this within a certain category in the list that they created. So for example, I want to save this in temple, and then you press OK and it should be saved, which then can be found if you go back. If you go back to the Tokyo page in your saved info tab. Not implemented in the current UI, but this would be implemented in an actual implementation. Furthermore, if I want even more knowledge about Tokyo, places I can visit or stuff I need to know during my exchange, I can go to see all, which is the button here, where you can see way more info. Also, if I want to do during my exchange, for example, a 3-day trip and planning for that. However, as an exchange student, I might be studying, so I only have the Saturday off, so a 1-day trip would be possible. Which would be here. Just maybe the first weekend might be nice to see in this case. This is all. This is what the app implements. And this is what can help you navigate you through your journey as an exchange student there. If you want to download everything, if you don't have access to internet, in Japan you obviously will, but maybe in other countries not, there's an option to download everything, which is why we have the big download button here, and why there is a separate part for offline storage with, for example, your information on Tokyo, as well with everything that you saved, which can be done as well based on what you want to save specifically. Okay, and when being back at the main page, I've just seen my offline storage is all in there. I see where I am or what's around me, so I navigate to the nav function, and you can see I'm currently at SUTD, which is here. And when we want to see where we want to go, we can see what's nearby, which is of course university and the metro station, but also some things I've saved here in the list that I still want to see before I take off to another exchange in Tokyo, Japan, which can be seen here in the list, and on which can also be filtered using the filtering functions you see here on the screen. This way users know what's nearby. Furthermore, lastly but not least, we have the community section. This allows you to explore posts from other users you might also follow. For example, here I'm following Chicken Bob, Chicken Bob also has a profile page, which you can see here, where I can see his posts, past posts, and I can chat with Bob as well. So in this case, that's what Chicken Bob and I have been discussing, and this could really help me get to know some others, get to know some local people that are already there, to get some tips as well. We also have a like section where I can find back all my like posts, which is something that users said they really wanted. And of course I can also filter based on what kind of posts I would like to see. I can also write posts myself, which can be done on my own page, which you can see here. This is me, Divine Rocks, where I can also add a story and publish it. So that rounds up the entire application, helping students overcome the cultural shock, being able to go where they want, getting the recommendations, and providing a centralized focus database where I can meet people and where I can find everything that I need. Thus far, TravelShock.